Life is a journey full of challenges, and the ups and downs we experience not only shape our character, but also deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Quotes about life's principles often shed light on the dark paths we might traverse. Here are reflections distilled from human wisdom aimed at helping middle-aged and elderly individuals view their lives through new lenses, thus igniting positive change. 1. Time is the most precious thing we have. Every passing moment records memories and emotions in our lives. For many, as they enter middle age and old age, reassessing how they use their time becomes essential. One of life's important principles is to value time. Since time cannot be retrieved, wisdom in allocating our time will create meaningful and valuable experiences. To change is inevitable. Life is constantly evolving, and change is an intrinsic part of it. Older individuals often fear change, but in reality, how we embrace change determines our quality of life. View change as an opportunity to reinvent yourself and awaken unmet desires. Once accustomed to fluctuations, we will discover new paths previously unimagined. 3. Sadness is an integral part of happiness. Life is not always bright. Sometimes moments of sadness are valuable lessons. People often learn from pain and loss, helping them appreciate the good things. Embrace any sadness you encounter, as it is a stepping stone towards happiness. These sayings not only convey strength, but also encourage resilience in difficult times. For happiness is not a destination, but a journey. Although people often seek happiness through success or material gifts, happiness truly resides in everyday experiences. Intimate conversations, relaxing afternoon walks, or simply enjoying a cup of tea together are moments to cherish. Recognizing that happiness is a journey will help us depend less on external factors for satisfaction and appreciate the small things. 5. You can change your life if you change the way you see it. Thought is the greatest power we possess. For older individuals, changing their perspective on life can spark a mental revolution. If you focus on negativity, you will only see the ugly aspects of life. Conversely, if you start to see beauty in simple things, you will understand that life is a gift worth cherishing. Open your mind to new thoughts, and you will find wonderful things awaiting you. 6. Live fully every day. Every day is an opportunity to express yourself and show love. Don't wait for the right time or better conditions to live fully. Regardless of your age, make time for the things you love, moments with family and friends, or simply taking care of yourself. Life is a gift. Live it fully and meaningfully. 7. What matters is not what you own, but what you give. One of life's most valuable lessons is the value of giving. When we direct our thoughts and actions towards supporting others, we not only positively impact their lives, but also enrich our own. For older individuals, sharing knowledge, experiences, and love with younger generations can bring great joy and inspire new vitality. Consider giving as an investment in the future, as acts of kindness and selflessness will forever be remembered by those you touch. 8. Gratitude is the key to happiness. In each person's journey, being grateful for what one has is crucial. Even in difficult times, there are things to be thankful for. For older individuals, practicing gratitude not only fosters a positive mindset, but also reduces stress and anxiety. Spend time each day acknowledging what you are grateful for, no matter how small. Gratitude will help you see that life is always meaningful, and that is the foundation of happiness. 9. Genuine friendship is priceless. True friendship can provide immense strength and support throughout life's journey. As we age, relationships and connections with those around us become more important than ever. Deep conversations, mutual support, and love can help alleviate loneliness and offer comfort during tough times. Always remember that a sincere friend can bring light to the darkest days. 10. Live with purpose. One of the driving forces in life is finding purpose. For older individuals, identifying and pursuing a goal can create strong motivation, helping them maintain spirit and passion. Purpose can come from work, hobbies, volunteer work, or caring for family. Living with purpose not only makes life more fulfilling, but also helps you feel more connected to the world around you. Conclusion: through these quotes about life's principles, it is hoped that readers, especially those who are middle-aged and elderly, will be empowered to transform their lives in positive ways. Sometimes just a single quote or a small reflection can change a life. Believe that even small changes are meaningful, and your journey is ongoing, bringing new opportunities and hope. Life is ever evolving. Allow yourself to explore new and delightful aspects along the way.